Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's localize the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back and let's enter the system and updates. Now we can enter the developer options, which will appear, and in this list we have to localize the option which is called automatic system updates. We can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about manually updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. And of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.